Hey, it's Michael with Central Alps, and today we're going to be looking at a 2007 to 2018 Jeep Wrangler JK. It's got a 4.5-inch Skyjacker Lift Kit on it, some 17x9 XD Addict wheels, and some 37x1250 R17 Nitto Grappler mud terrain tires. It's got a Fab Fours Grumper, a Smittybilt 10,000 pound synthetic rope winch, some Smittybilt XRC Stubby Fender flares, Smittybilt rock sliders, and some LED tail lights. Also, it has a rough country front drive shaft, and it's been re-geared to a 5:13 gear ratio. We've got a couple tips for you. The first one is, if you install this 4.5-inch Skyjacker lift, we did end up coming up with an issue with the drive shaft. It could be from the off-road use, or it could just be from on-road use. However, we had to go through and replace the front drive shaft because of the driveline angles. So be prepared to buy a new front drive shaft. Besides that, it's a relatively simple, easy lift to install. The Jeep also has a Rubicon Express heavy-duty tie rod and drag link combo, just for the tires and wheels and the use of the Jeep and what they were doing with it. Besides that, it's got your front grumper, which is relatively easy to install except for the turn signals. If you just wire the turn signals up to your factory wiring harness, you will get a hyper blink. So look into resistors, and the resistors will prevent you from getting your hyper blink. Besides that, the Smittybilt XRC fender flares, they are a great add-on. They come at a great price. However, make sure you install your inner fenders. If you're really looking into detail, this Jeep does not have the inner fenders. The customer installed them themselves. Install your inner fenders, please. Besides that, your rock rails, piece of cake to install. There's just a couple bolts and they throw right on. If you have any questions, please feel free to leave us a comment, shoot us an email, or give us a call or text at 833-268-2577. Also, if you want any of these parts, whether it's the grumper, the fender flares, the tires, the wheels, the lift, the rails, the tail lights, headlights, anything like that, go to our website, central-alps.com, and we would love to get your parts shipped out today. Also, if you're saying, Michael, I wish I could just buy this Jeep, already lifted, already built, already done. I don't want to go find a Jeep, buy it, bring it to you, have you lift it, build it, and then have my vehicle. I just want it today. Lucky for you, we're going to start posting our vehicles dealers have for sale that we have built. Go to our website, central-alps.com, go to the inventory page, and we will update it with all of the vehicles that dealers are currently selling, produced by us. Central-Alps, go to the inventory page. Hopefully you can find the Jeep or the truck that you love and absolutely have to buy. Call up the dealer and say, hey, I want it, and then go pick it up today, probably tomorrow, more than likely this week. So again, central-alps.com for your parts, and central-alps.com, go to the inventory page to find a vehicle. Besides that, if you have any questions, leave us a comment, shoot us an email, give us a call or text. And again, my name is Michael with Central Alps, and thanks for watching.